My name is Michelle Day. I live in a small village near Pen-y-Bryn, which is near Ystrad. I chose this course because I started taking photos of my eldest son, of his rugby. My favourite thing about Coleg Gwent are the tutors. They are so friendly, they treat everybody the same, they're helpful, you can have a laugh with them. It's not like if you were in school, and with the groups they get involved and point you in the right direction. I chose Coleg Gwent because the first 2 years the foundation was with the University of South Wales, which was connected with Coleg Gwent. And then to do my 3rd year, I was reluctant to go anywhere else. And luckily enough, Coleg Gwent decided to do the BA photography course, and that's why I stayed and did my 3rd year. My proudest moment is getting 2-1 for the first 2 years of the foundation course. And I'm proud of myself for actually staying on to do level 3. And it gives me confidence to keep going and stick to the course, which I'm still enjoying, and will be proud to stand on the stage and receive my cap and gown. Advice I'd give to other people that are going to study at Coleg Gwent would be just do it. Age range, it doesn't matter. Support is wonderful. Tutors are amazing, and if you have any problems, there's always somebody there to help you. My long-term goals after I finish my course are to carry on taking rugby photos.